In this video, we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter in this 2015 Hyundai Sonata. It's located behind the glove box on the passenger side. So we're going to open our glove box, drop it all the way down. First thing we're going to do is on the passenger side of our glove box, we're going to find our piston. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our thumb behind the piston rod and push towards the passenger door. And now we can push that piston up and out of the way. On the inside of our glove box, both left and right, we have some twist in place locks. They are going to twist towards you and come out. What I like to do here is just lift the glove box back an inch or two. You can see it rests on there. So when you push the glove box in, and you twist, on the passenger side it will be twist away from you. Makes them easy to come out at this point, and just let your glove box drop down. Now that you have your glove box all the way down facing the floor, if you look straight into the back, you'll see what looks like a separate rectangle piece. On the passenger side of that piece, you'll see a little lever. We're going to pull that lever towards the driver's side and pull that whole rectangle out and away. Behind there, you can see we have our cabin air filter. Just going to reach in, pull our cabin air filter straight out. At this point, you want to keep it horizontal in case there's any debris in here. You don't want that to land in the vehicle. You can take your cabin air filter out and discard that one. Now with your new air filter, take note of the airflow direction. Air is going to come in through the vehicle and down towards your feet. Make sure that's in the right orientation. Slide that into place and push it all the way back. Once that's in place, we can take our cover. You'll notice on the driver's side of our cover, there's a little lip here. We're going to put that in first and then close on the passenger side. So we'll angle in the driver's side. We'll rotate it in and push to click in place. If you notice on the insides, you'll see these cutouts. We want to take these holes and put them behind the cutouts, like this. Then you can take your locks, line them up, and spin it to lock. Once you have one in, you can release your glove box. But to do the other side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to press it back slightly. We're going to put our lock into position and spin to lock that in place. And then the next step is going to be take our piston. We're going to pull our piston out. We're going to line it up with this clip here. And we're just going to squeeze or push our piston onto that clip. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and close your glove box. What I like to do, open it and close it a couple of times, let it drop, make sure it works the way it should.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.